welcome back everyone. Today we're going to solve an absolute value equation. Now this video has been divided into two parts. The first part is to spot the error in my working. Then the second part I'll provide you with clear solutions step by step as to what went wrong with my first working. Let's get started. All right. Okay. So from here we have 8x, sorry, 8 absolute x plus 4 plus 15 equal to 6 absolute x plus 4 plus 13 here. Okay. Now from here, the usual take would be we can start from now you will notice that both the left hand side right hand side have x plus 4 term, so therefore maybe to simplify the work we can let y be x plus 4 modulus. All right. So therefore, the equations given can be simplified into okay, and then there you have it. And then from here, we can further group the like terms together. So you will have okay, and then from here we have 2y equal to -2, and then finally you have y equal to -1. Alright. And then we're going to replace our substitutions for y. In this case, we have x plus 4 modulus, which is equal to -1. Alright. Okay. Now from here itself, I'm going to solve this absolute value equation. Alright. Now this is how I'm going to solve this. Okay. Now there are many methods we can solve, but by using the typical methods, we're going to consider case 1. Okay. So this is the one that I'm going to solve. I'm going to consider case 1. Case 1 would be x plus 4 equal to -1. Okay. And then from here, I will be able to get -5. And then after that, I'm going to consider case 2, where I have negative x plus 4 is equal to -1, and then which is the same as 1. And then therefore, my x is equal to -3. Therefore, I can conclude that my solutions are x equal to -5 and -3 there. Alright, now your task, very simple. I made a major mistake here. Do spot the mistake. Alright, other than using case 1 or case 2 to find the solutions to this, you can also apply quadratic strategy in this case. So from this equation itself, I'm going to apply a quadratic methods. So we can actually take the square for both sides of the equation. Right, so from here we will get x squared plus 8x plus 16 here is equal to 1, and then therefore you have, and then we have we should be able to factorize that quite easily. Okay, and then alright, here you go. You notice that the solutions that I have obtained using quadratic methods and considering case 1 and case 2 are exactly the same. Alright, okay, but I did make a mistake here. Alright, so the objective of this video is to spot the error or spot my mistake. Okay, think about that. Once you have figured out what went wrong, you can click on the next video in the above link to find out the actual solution to what went wrong to my working. All right, all the best.